Hello, it is week 10, day 1. Make sure you take your attendance. Today's goal is students will find the distance between 2 points on a graph. And so if you remember from last week, we started doing Pythagorean theorem, where it was to find the hypotenuse or the missing side of a right triangle. This is honestly the same thing. The only difference is you have to make the right triangle. So we want to know how far it is from here to here. So the easiest way to do this is to create your own right triangle by going straight down and straight across. If this is the right angle, that means that this is C. And so we can see that this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so that means we can set up the problem 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to C squared. And we're going to just punch that into the calculator. So we would have 5 squared plus 12 squared. You're going to see that equals 169. So 169 is what? Is equal to C squared. And just like before, we're going to do the square root to finish. And we can see that the square root of 169 is 13. And then we do the process all over again. We want to find out how far our points are from here to here. So you're going to draw a right triangle. Now, typically you'd want to use straight lines, but it's really hard to draw perfectly straight lines using a mouse. So you can see your right triangles right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So then we set up the problem 9 squared plus 12 squared is equal to C squared. This is just like the problems that we did last week. The only difference is we're drawing the right triangle ourselves. So 9 squared plus 12 squared equals 225. And then, of course, we want to find the square root of that, which is 15. All right, and that's how you find the distance of between 2 points is by drawing a right triangle. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me through email. Maybe we can set up a Zoom. Once you get to 80, that is an A. Anything past that is extra credit. Remember, though, if you have an answer that comes out to be 8.75 ... it keeps going. If this second number is 5 or higher, we're going to change this answer to 8.8. But if it's 8.74 and it kept going, we're still going to look at this second decimal. And because it's below 5, we're going to leave it as 8.7. Again, if you have questions, feel free to email me or maybe we can Zoom.